So in this video, we will see how you can create your own component. So first of all, what is the component? We have been using multiple elements like text, view, input text, etc. in React Native project. So these all are nothing but the components. They are predefined components, and we can use them directly. The biggest advantage of an component is the reusability. Once you created the component, you can reuse the multiple times. You don't need to create every time you write a new code. So first of all, create a React Native project and open it in Visual Studio Code and run it on an simulator. I have opened an iOS simulator. You can also run it on Android simulator if you are using Windows machine, and simply run the app by npm start. So first of all, what what we were doing was that uh, we create we were writing all the elements, all the components directly into app.js file, like view component, text component, input text, etc. Now what we will do is that we create a new component and we write our all the app specification in that component, and then we import that component into here and use it. So first of all, let us create a new component. Just create a new file. Let me name it greeting. Okay, so first of all, we need to import React. You also provide the extension of JS React from React. Have view and text. React Native. Let's also import the style. Provide the path. Okay, so now we need to write export statement. Export default will be going to declare a function, and it has the same name as our component, greeting, and we will be returning the view. Let's provide the style. So it is the same as app.js, as you can see. So now let me just create a text first of all. Let us first create a input text. Okay, so text input. Let me also import use state. So we will be creating a state which will hold the name entered by the user, and on the button click app will simply greets the user. Name, set name, Houston, will be an empty string. Okay, so text input, let's provide a placeholder name. On change of text, whatever name user enters will be saving the into set name. Let us provide a style for the text input. Let's provide padding of 20, background color of, let's say, yellow. Style is equal to styles dot input. Let me just save it. You are not saying anything over here because we have not yet imported the greeting component into app.js. Let me create a button. Title of the button will, let's say, greet. And on press event, we will be console log name. Okay, so let me just save it. Now we go back to app.js. Here, let me just import the component that we have created, greeting from, and the path. Now that we have created this component, we can use this component multiple times. So in app.js, we will simply use this component as we have been using predefined component, and let me just save it. As you can see, let me just enter my name. As you can see over here, so let me just delete it. As you can see, let me use it 2 times. You can see we have 2 screens just we have created in this one. So this is the biggest advantage of create your own component. Once we create this own component, let's say in the real life application, when you have multiple screens and you have to use this type of view and the functionality in multiple screens, so you can simply create this one as a component and you can use it multiple times. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching it.